kind of this is another micro video because I think I kind of finding a utility of the post selections, which is really, and I probably have read that, but it just doesn't come clear until you really try it. So, for example, I've got that. If I want to deal with if I want to sort of imagine those 4 qubits as one register and those 2 qubits as one register, and kind of put them into different types of superpositions, and then want to take a look at what happens when you entangle things, etc. Right? Like you can. It's complicated to see this in here. It's complicated to see this in here because of the so for example, if I want to take a look at what does this state look like for a particular measurement in here, I mean, maybe I'm just 1 1 1 1 would kind of probably be the whole thing here. If I would say 1 1, because if I use the post selections, I have quite an intuitive. So then it kind of helps me. It's interesting because it helps me see basically what would the amplitudes and the phases be of that particular register. Yeah. Still not sure why this is helpful, but or I'm still not sure how to apply that. But I'm kind of trying to play with those gates. And what if I do a select X on, select X on? Interesting. I might be just jumping too much right now, but this is definitely a good way to see it. At least helps me visualize that sort of entanglements where you can't easily visualize subsystems. Even you could just do that. Okay, interesting. Because that's definitely something that it's way trickier to see here, right? Because you need to you need to map to say those only. I mean, this is the only 2 rows that are available, and then so we're talking about the lowest 2 qubits. So we're talking about these 8 states in here, and you actually didn't have to, but not really actually. We're talking about a combination of these and these, really. No, we're talking about these actually. Yeah, just the last row. Yes, it's kind of complicated, but I mean, this kind of allows you with post selection. With post selection, it allows you to kind of sneak peek into this. Because otherwise, you get just incoherent displays. Because obviously, there is entanglement with qubits. So if you wanna sort of analyze that, you can use post selections to see particular setups or particular sets of, so given a certain measurement. Yeah. Okay, that's it.